Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate, and I have the honor to introduce Michael, which, by the way, Michael is a local business that we prefer to support. Michael, what is it that you do?
Basic all around the house, landscaping, mowing, mulching, trimming, all that type of stuff.
So listen, folks, he's affordable, he's young, he's strong, he's hardworking, and guess what? He shows up. And in today's society, Michael, that's kind of important.
Absolutely.
So I would say call Michael T Service LLC, which is your year-round, full-service yard cleanup, anything to do with around the house. So Michael, if they want to reach out to you and schedule an appointment or just get an estimate, how do they reach you?
Instagram, Facebook, that number right there, 330-316-9049. MichaelTServicesLLC at gmail.com.
Reach out to Michael, support local businesses. He's hardworking, and actually, you can see he's just working. Here we are, it's not even spring yet, and he's already out here working. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Shop local.